Okay, so hi guys. So on this video, I'll go ahead and teach you on how you could call your scheduled callback. So there are times when you're automatically dialing, you meet with some people which aren't available to speak with right now, but are actually interested. So what we just have to do is simply label them under scheduled callback, and let's say they're available in about 3 months, 6 months, tomorrow, next week, or next month. Or if it's actually not here, you can specify on when they'd be available. So you could just hit custom. Right now, it wouldn't really appear, but as soon as you hit custom, there should be a calendar that would pop up. From there on, you can select whichever date they'd be available to speak with. Okay, now once you are successful in putting in the date of when they'd be available for a callback, their information will be here on the dashboard. So as you can see, I have one callback which actually has been passed due already. So this is your 5-day call schedule. If you would want to dial a callback, or I mean a scheduled callback, you could not just simply hit this green button and make call. Now again, same rule applies for manual dialing. You should have an active line. Okay, so how do you actually go about getting an active line? If you've watched the video for manual dialing, that's the same thing. All you have to do is grab a campaign. So let's say these are my existing dials. So let's say 2017. So right now having I'm having an active campaign.
Welcome. Get ready to sell. Finding profit.
Once you go get an active line and you hit agent disconnect, you go to dashboard, and from there on you hit make calls now. Oh shoot, I actually did not. Ooh, no, I actually did it wrong. So let's do it again. Let's hit this campaign. Okay, there should be an active line now.
Get ready to sell.
Active line now. Don't hit agent disconnect. Hit the hang up button. Hit the hang up button. Okay, now you have an active line, and then go to dashboard and then select this make call now.
Calling contact.
There. Right now it's dialing. Okay? Right now it's dialing the scheduled callback that I created. So let's hang up, agent disconnect. Let me do it again, because on this video I made an error. So that's funny. So again, get a campaign. Hit a campaign. Get a campaign.
Welcome. Get ready to sell. Finding profit.
As soon as you hear a finding prospect, hit hang up. Oh, there's no more contacts on that specific campaign. So let me do it again. Let's say this campaign.
Welcome.
Get ready to sell, and then finding prospect, hit hang up, and then go to dashboard. Oh, it's not here anymore because I just dialed the number, but it's actually that way. You hit hang up, and then go to dashboard, and then hit your call schedule, the green phone button. So there. Thanks so much, and have a great day.